So hi fam, how's life? I went to A&W, as you can freaking see, and I got a boatload of crap. I got a bacon double cheeseburger, I got 2 Dr. Peppers, I have a little sundae one day here, it's an Oreo sundae. I have an order of cheese curds, and an order of, I have a 5-piece chicken fingers with buffalo sauce, an order of cheese curds, of course I got fries. For the girl that waited on me today, who actually had to come outside and give me my food, because I think they were, like, insanely busy. I think. Actually, I couldn't see the line of cars when I got there. Yeah, they were insanely busy, and, like, thank you. If you ever see this video, girl, you deserve a raise for your patience with people like me, who come in there with, like, 4 coupons, and I work retail, so, like, I've never worked in the food service, I'll be real with you, and I don't use ketchup. Y'all have seen me do this numerous times. Fries in one part, chicken strips in the other. These are sauces for my chicken strips. I'm trying to do this so you can see everything. This is the marinara sauce that I probably won't even use because, no offense to A&W, they have what they have and can get access to. And I know I live in a little hodunk, shitty little fucking town where there's not a lot of access to anything. It's the bacon double cheeseburger. I am going to get a shot of all this. These sauces. These fries here. Get a full shot of chicken strips. Let me do, well, I can't do that, can I? I'm going to take a picture of this on my phone. Because some of you don't know this, but there's many mukbangs I do on my phone. So, and I try and wait till I have quite a few videos accumulated before I start uploading anything. Oh, cheese curds. It's Wisconsin cheddar, guys. You can't go to A&W and not get cheese curds. Like, if you do, like, you're not a human. Get away from me. And I'm going to try and take a picture of all this. Get it all in frame. Sunday's melting. The cheese curds are being a little difficult. There we go. Why do you guys put up with me? This sundae is so melted, so I'm going to go ahead and eat some of it. Didn't want to go for that first, but, you know. I feel like you guys are too far away from me. Come closer, children. I'm going to talk about Demi Lovato's overdose. I'm going to talk about what I got banned from Facebook for recently. I'm not still banned. Although my Facebook is acting retarded. Look at these chicken fingers. Look at, just, I don't know what's a better name. Chicken fingers or chicken tenders. Like, and this is just buffalo. This is straight up buffalo. I can tell by looking at it. And I hope it has something, like some flavor to it. Hard pass. I like buffalo, but that's like too... They gave me 3 of those. Not even gonna eat one of them. Should have got ranch, maybe. I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna talk about a few things while I have the time. Because it is 1:13 and I have plenty of time. This Sunday, all this food is just like so... Their food is good. I'm gonna try dipping my chicken tenders in marinara sauce. Which is from Ken's Steakhouse, which... This is A&W, it's not Ken's, so, like, explain that to me. I want to say first and foremost that I think Demi Lovato is incredibly talented. I think she is incredibly gifted as a singer, as a writer, as whatever. But, girl, you're never going to see this video, but... You're smarter than that, Demi. You really are. The reason I know you're smarter than that is because you pulled yourself up out of those fucking trenches once, and you can do it again. Like, I believe in you. I do not believe that addiction is a disease, though. Do I believe it's hereditary? Absolutely. Do I believe that everyone has a type of addiction that they're addicted to, whether it be sugar or drugs or alcohol? Yes. Absolutely. But saying it's a disease is like saying, oh, I can't help it. You can help it. I could help eating all this. But eating all this is not going to cause me to overdose and die in a couple hours. You know. I'm not saying food addiction is any better for you than drug addiction. It has its own, you know, fucking problems and it fucks you up in its own way. But I am aware that what I have is technically an addiction. I'm just gonna prop these fries up against these cheese curds for this Sunday. And I'm gonna dig into this burger real quick. Now, you go to a fast food place, you usually don't get meat patties this thick. Okay? You just don't. And these are on potato buns, like... yeah, their food is a little more expensive than McDonald's, but I would say it's worth it. Like, you saw that close-up of that burger, right? Like, look at that before I bite into it. At least I think they're a little more than McDonald's. When I go to McDonald's, I get the dollar menu. I ain't even gonna front. These Sundays, like $1.90 something. Not too bad. Every bite of food that I'm eating right now is a different. But yeah, like, people sit there and judge her. And I am. I'm kind of judging her by giving my 2 cents. But I'm also not in a position to judge because I'm not perfect. Just a fact of the matter, you know what I mean? I'm not going to talk about that anymore because she's getting enough attention. Next thing I would like to talk to you about is what I got banned from Facebook for. I got banned for telling a fuckboy to go kill himself. Some of you know I have this abrasive sense of humor. Some of you know that when men hit on you, sometimes they are even more abrasive than anything I've ever said. If I post a picture of my tongue hanging out and somebody goes, I would love to come on that tongue, what am I supposed to respond with? Oh, that's great, let's meet up sometime. No, I said I would like for you to kill yourself. It's not bullying if it's me retaliating and sticking up for myself. That's just the fucking truth. And if they kill themselves because of me saying that, chances are I was not the tipping point. Chances are they had all the shit in their fucking head already and all the shit in their fucking house. They did it because they wanted to already. It had nothing to do with me. And if you have ever been one of those guys that's commented on a stranger's post and said, hey, let's fuck, or like say something like really fucking disgusting and off-putting and like abrasive, like I hope somebody shows your mother the kind of messages you should send strangers every day. All this food is really good. Like, I'm eating this first. I'm gonna eat a few of these. Probably gonna finish this. And then start eating these, which is the cheese curds, and that burger. I eat about half that burger because what I want to do is I did want to get something done today, but my main plan for today, because it was payday, I get food and do a mukbang. I'm also going to pay my phone bill. I have this all together for cheese curds, 2 sodas, which I had $1 coupons for all of this. So I got $1 off the chicken tenders, $1 off the hoagie, or the sandwich, my apologies. Which the sandwich was a combo, so it came with this and fries. And this was a combo, so it came with this and fries. $1 off this Sunday and $1 off this. And I paid a total of $19.14. So, like, that's not bad to me. That's pretty big for just a curd. If you like cheese curds but don't like cottage cheese, I got news for you. Cheese curds are just cottage cheese, but like deep fried. And like on a bigger scale, obviously. Cottage cheese is literally curds in whey. Everyone, that nursery rhyme where she's sitting eating her curds in whey and you wonder what they're fucking talking about, that's what they're fucking talking about. I want to take this to work with me to eat after work. But yeah, I get sick of perverts hitting on me. I will show you an example. I literally had a guy message me and say, "Let me bruise your cervix." I'd never talked to this fool before. Because I would remember a username like Enigma77. I'd never talked to him before. But he's going to come at me with, "Hey, let me bruise your cervix." One, like, did you just assume my pronouns? No. Don't say things like that. Especially if you're trying to date somebody or be with them in a romantic sense. Stop and think, would I say this to her or him in person? Because I know women are guilty of this too. There's a guy I'm friends with, he is from Australia, and he's had women send him tit pictures and vagina pictures. And he's like gothic and Satanist and into that kind of stuff. He doesn't worship Satan. If you really look at what Satanism is, it's about self-worship, but anyway. That's why I don't get why they call it Satanism, because, like, Christianity, you follow Christ. Christ, yeah. Satanism, but it has nothing to do with Satan. Makes no sense. Anyway, that's not his fault, and that's neither here nor there. So what he does is sends autopsy pictures back to them, and they block him. Guys have that problem, too. I've accidentally sent pictures that were of intimate nature to somebody, because, like, it'll be a picture of me in, like, a bra and underwear, and my face isn't showing. But because, yeah, I'm chubby, but, like, guys don't care if they like you. If they like you even a little bit, and they get to see your body, they will appreciate you, you know, usually. I've sent pictures to people by accident and had somebody, like, and I didn't know if it went through. Like, if you open your Facebook and open the messenger and you click on the thing to send a picture, the first picture that's there, whatever it is, if you click on it by accident, it'll send. That's what I did. I thought it was going to be this, like, meme, so I just, you know, clicked it without really thinking or looking, really. And then I realized what I sent, and I was like, fuck. And I deleted it, but then this person, like, blocked me, and I'm assuming that's why. It's the only reason he had to block me. If he sees this, like, dude, that was an accident, I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to be weird, I wasn't trying to be creepy. I don't do that normally, it's not something I do. Can I say some of you dudes are brave sending dick pics to random women, by the way? Because y'all are... Some men get off on being humiliated. I don't know why. Some people get off on being humiliated. I don't know why. And yes, I could maybe count myself in that group, because maybe if you consider being into being, like, I'm gonna put the fries in here because honestly I don't have time to eat them all. And as I said, people can say fries don't keep all they want, but they do. Imagine if, like, a restaurant ran out of utensils and couldn't get fries out of the fryer and they just had to reach their fucking bare hands in the fryer. Ah! There's your fries, man! There's your fucking fries! That's how you know they're fresh. You hear the cook screaming. Ah! I'm sorry. Did I mention I'm mentally disturbed? It's a weird lid. That is a very weird lid. Huh, there we go. This is the chicken tenders, so now we get to eat the burger in free reign. I'm not going to use that sauce. You guys like my food, don't you? Like my arrangement? I really need to get working on this sundae, though. They're good, but it's melting fast. Like, what I'm going to do, like this, and like what's left of that burger, and there's fries, in the big bag that it came with. I like bacon, but sometimes it's too chewy. Also, as some of you know, I watch Shane Dawson. Some of you don't know that, some of you do. If you do, thank you for paying attention. But I'm not going to eat any more of this because okay, maybe one more bite. Which, by the way, I woke up at like 11. This is the first real food I've had today, and it's like 1. By the way, you put pickles on my sandwich, I probably fucking hate you. I forgot that they do that. Y'all can keep them. Which I should know by now, by all the fast food places I've eaten at, all the fast food I've had, that most places just put pickles on a sandwich. For some reason it's considered, like, rude not to in this state. I don't fucking know. I like pickles. I will sit there and drink pickle juice. I will eat a dill pickle once in a while, but I have to be in the mood for it. And I'm not in the mood for it when I go out for a burger. When I go out for a burger, I'm in the mood for a fucking burger. I mean, call me crazy. If I go out, I'd be like someone putting pudding on my fries, and I'd be like, did I say I wanted pudding? I said fries. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to be gross, but like, that bacon's cooked enough for the fat to get crispy, so it's not chewy. I have another cheese curd, and then I'm going to put them in the box too. one more. Someday I should just do a mukbang where I take a picture of an empty, like a table with a bunch of empty paper plates. I'm just like, she ate what? It's 26. It's 28 minutes. I've been doing this for like half an hour. Yeah, they have two different kinds of sundaes. They have an Oreo one, which is what I have here, which you can't even tell. And then they have a cheesecake one. I'm done with these fries. Who the fuck am I kidding? Am I the only one that likes my fries like this? I like crispy ones. Don't get me wrong. But I like a mix. You know what I mean? Hello. Time to get up close and personal because I'm ugly. Oh, it's only been like 27. Okay. Yeah, I work today, so I need to do some like laundry or something before my mom gets home. It's got like chunks of Oreo in it and shit. By the way, look at this little spoon they give you. Like, this is my pinky compared to this spoon. Like, that should give you a pretty good idea of how little it is. It's in between the size of like a teaspoon, like a regular spoon, and like a baby spoon. Let me take this lid off and hopefully not spill it. Oh god. It looks like ice cream soup. Like, hold on. It looks like ice cream soup, and I know it's going to go everywhere, so I'm just going to cushion the blow for when it decides to. Yeah, they have two different ones. They have a Oreo one, and they have a cheesecake one. My mom got the strawberry cheesecake one. She said it wasn't any good. But I think, this is going to sound like I'm food biased or like food prejudice or something. But I feel like things that are like ice cream, desserty, and have fruit and cheesecake in them appeal to a select group of fast food people. Because I like fruit. I like cheesecake. I like ice cream. And I like everything. But I don't like them mixed together. You know what I mean? To me, mixing fruit with ice cream has always been a weird concept. I've tried it. I have. It always makes the fruit sour. They, now, have mayonnaise ice cream. I want to try it. You know what I mean? Y'all know I have morbid curiosity. And I just want to try things. Probably can result in being a very bad idea. Make me very sick to my stomach. But, you know. You know how that goes. And then I have a whole nother Dr. Pepper here that I need to break into so it doesn't overflow. Still fizzy as fuck. And I get ice in my soda too. So I had somebody try to tell me, oh, I don't get ice in my soda when I go to fast food places because it kills the fizz. I'm like, bullshit. What kills the fizz is your ass being slow drinking it and fucking sitting there and letting the ice melt in it. You guys know why I'm here. To stuff my face and talk about shit that makes people uncomfortable. I'm gonna go now though because you guys have seen enough of me stuffing my face. It's almost 32 minutes. So I hope you guys have a lovely and blessed day, and thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed your time here at the W Mukbang. See you guys later.